Hello folks! Finally I organized my toolkit. Today I want to share with you what's in it. Let's dive in. All tools which I carry with me on the trips we can divide in two types. For daily usage, so which I carry constantly, and for the long trips. I have two places where I store my tools. That's in frame bag and under frame box. Let's start from under frame box. Bike Multi-Tool, an online brand with various hex keys for saddle, pedals, wheel axles and a chain breaker, in case my chain snaps. It lacks Torx keys, but I haven't needed them on the road yet. Chain lock, in case my chain breaks, make it easy to replace a broken link. Tubeless repair kit, including plugs and a needle for vulcanizing holes. Don't forget to lubricate the plugs with rubber cement before vulcanizing. It's a similar process to fixing car tires. Duct tape, useful for securing things together. Tire levers, for mounting the tight-fitting tubeless Specialized Pathfinder 2 tires. They are excellent for road and gravel, but not for heavy mud. CO2 cartridges with a pump. I always take it, one 16 grams and one 25 grams. It's useful for inflating a completely flat tubeless tire. Five cable ties, useful for securing or fixing things, along with duct tape. In an in-frame pocket I keep a regular pump with a pressure guide for longer trips. It's essential to know the exact pressure when deflating tires for sand or inflating for asphalt. Chain loop, I use Makov ceramic infused oil. It holds up well against water. I apply it every 200 kilometers or more frequently after washing my bike. For longer journeys, I also bring patches and rubber cement to fix a tube, plus an extra tube in case the tire becomes irreparable. Make sure the tube has a cap on the valve to prevent the nipple from puncturing the tube inside your bag or box. Always with me my pocket multi-tool, the Leatherman Signal, which includes pliers, a knife, a saw and a hammer. It's more for general hiking but still handy for specific bicycle tasks, like using pliers instead of the wrench. Work gloves and a close for whipping off dust or transporting in the chain. The gloves are ordinary, but for the bike it's better to have thin, disposable medical-like gloves. They are smaller and thinner, and you can wrap the multi-tool in them. That's my toolkit. It was helpful. So, thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't yet, and I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.